Well, tell me, do you hate me or do you wanna date me? It's kinda hard to tell, cause your eyes are looking crazy. So why you coming over? Anything but sober. Looking like it's time tonight. Fight, man. Hold it steady, drill it in like a J-Paul Getty. Smith and Wesson, taking shots that'll keep you guessing. Well, tell me, do you hate me or do you wanna date me? It's kinda hard to tell, cause your eyes are looking crazy. So